Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Vaibhavi Sawant and let's start with today's headlines. Cryptocurrencies tumble amid renewed recessionary fears. Bitcoin fluctuates near $19,000. Enforcement Directorate freezes $1.5 million in Bitcoin in gaming app ENuggets case. FTX Ventures jump crypto lead $20 million investment in NFT wallet Coral. Trading platform Cryptocom secures regulatory approval to operate in France. Crypto exchange Bitkub targeted by Thai SEC whitewash trading claims. F1 team McLaren Racing unveils crypto-inspired car look ahead of Grand Prix. NFT marketplace OpenSea pays $200,000 bounty to two ethical hackers. Landmark International CBDC test deemed success, BIS says. Cryptocurrencies were in sea of red on Wednesday, hammered by climbing borrowing costs that highlight fear of a global recession, forcing investors to seek refuge in safe haven assets such as the US dollar. Bitcoin fluctuated near $19,000. US stock traded mixed in early trades after Bank of England said it would temporarily buy long-dated UK government bonds. Globally, equities ended lower as central banks across the world raised interest rate last week and vowed to take an additional step to tame surging inflation. The US dollars spotted to a fresh 20-year peak of 114.68 against a basket of currencies in intraday trades as investors flocked to relatively stable assets. Bitcoin was recently trading at around $19,090, down nearly 6% in the past 24 hours. ETH, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,305, down over 6.3% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins traded lower. Cryptocurrency market capitalization shrunk back to around $925 billion, though trading volumes rebounded. India's Enforcement Directorate ED has frozen cryptocurrency worth about 128 million rupees or about $1.5 million as a part of a money laundering investigation relating to a mobile gaming application called ENuggets. The investigation is related to a February 2021 complaint filed by regulatory authorities in India's eastern city of Kolkata against Amir Khan and others. The ED conducted search operation of 6 locations earlier this month in which stacks of cash more than rupees 170 million or about $2 million were recovered from Khan's residence. The agency alleges that Khan and others launched a gaming app called ENuggets to defraud the public by collecting money but then stopping withdrawals suddenly on different pretexts, and finally whipping off all data, including profile information from the app servers. The accused was transferring part of the money overseas via a cryptocurrency exchange, according to the ED. One dummy account was supposedly opened on Indian exchange WazirX, from where crypto purchased was then transferred to an account in the Binance. A balance of as many as 77.6 bitcoins worth roughly rupees 128 million or about $1.5 million have been frozen in that Binance account. Coral, a developer of executable non-fungible tokens or XNFT, has raised $20 million in a funding round led by the venture capital arm of FTX and Jump Crypto. The Solana-based developer will use the funds to build its first flagship product, Backpack, its wallet for XNFT. The executable NFTs give the owners the right to issue tokenized computer code or launch an application, an important solution to simplify onboarding. About 10 of the largest projects of Solana already have projects in development using Backpack's XNFT technology. Backpack will launch into private beta on September 26th. The digital asset trading platform Crypto.com, based in Singapore, announced on September 28 that it has received authorization to function as digital asset service provider, that is DASP, in France. The trading platform has registered in France's leading market regulator, the Autorité des marchés financiers, that is AMF. According to the release, Crypto.com was subject to rigorous assessment, particularly regarding anti-money laundering and combating the funding of terrorism. The Securities and Exchange Commission, that is SEC of Thailand, is investigating Bitkub, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the nation, for fabricating and generating fictitious trading activity on its platform. The SEC has filed a lawsuit against the cryptocurrency exchange and two people, according to an official statement from the agency dated on September 27th. The regulatory body is requesting a civil fine and cost of around $634,000 as well as a 6-month trading ban for the two. The most recent enforcement action against the largest cryptocurrency exchange in Thailand would be the exchange's second punishment in the last 3 months. Sakulkon Sakavi, the chairman of Bitkub Capital Group Holding, was previously fined $216,000 and prohibited from holding managerial position with the company for a year. McLaren Racing, a Formula One team, has unveiled a crypto-inspired look for its racing cars ahead of next week's Grand Prix to be held in Singapore. The move is a part of planned partnership with the crypto exchange OKX. The livery will feature on McLaren's MCL36 F1 cars at 2022 Singapore Grand Prix and 2022 Japanese Grand Prix. These races have returned to Asia for the first time since 2019. OpenSea has paid $200,000 in bounty rewards to 2 ethical hackers who discovered separate critical vulnerabilities in the NFT marketplace in the last 10 days. Every single hacker received a prize of $100,000. The first was given to Corbin Leo, a security specialist and the chief marketing officer of the security company Zilliq, who claimed to have gotten $100,000 on September 26 for having used the bug bounty portal HackerOne to find a serious OpenSea vulnerability. Had it not been found, the critical bug could have allowed an attacker to compromise OpenSea's infrastructure to steal assets. Next, a different anonymous white hat hacker claimed that OpenSea also paid them $100,000 for reporting a different serious vulnerability on September 19th. A representative for OpenSea said the bounties were legitimate and that the corresponding patches for the vulnerabilities had been released. A project involving multiple Asian central bank digital currencies, that is CBDC, has been badged a success, facilitating over $22 million in foreign exchange transactions, the Bank for International Settlements BIS said on Tuesday. The trial, described as the first of its kind ever, used a custom-built distributed ledger technology platform, is supported by central banks from China, Hong Kong, Thailand, and the United Arab Emirates, and was completed on September 23rd, the BIS said in a LinkedIn post. Goldman Sachs, HSBC, Societe Generale, and China's 6 biggest state-owned lenders are among the 20 commercial banks involved in the project, known as mBridge. A detailed report will be released in October, said the BIS, a grouping of world's central bank based in Brazil, Switzerland. That's it for today. This is Vaibhavi Sawant signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.